In the world of modern coastal warfare, speed isn't just an advantage, it's survival. And the USS Cyclone coastal missile boat is built around one idea: strike fast, disappear faster. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most advanced small combat ship concepts the US Navy could field in the coming years. And trust me, this thing is a beast. Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Shipxpert, where you find the most informative features of naval ships of USA. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. Feature 1. High-speed water jet propulsion. Let's start with the heart of the Cyclone, its triple water jet propulsion system. This lightweight predator cuts across the ocean at over 50 knots, more than 60 miles per hour. That's faster than many helicopters during takeoff. It accelerates instantly, turns sharply in shallow water, and moves with the aggression of a fighter jet skimming the sea. Feature 2. Stealth hull geometry. But speed alone isn't enough. The Cyclone's hull is sculpted with stealth geometry, angle plates that scatter radar waves instead of reflecting them. The result? A small boat that behaves like a ghost on enemy screens. Hard to spot, even harder to hit. Feature 3. Compact anti-ship missile pods. And despite its small size, the Cyclone hits like a heavyweight. Tucked into its deck are 4 to 8 sea-skimming anti-ship missiles designed to stay invisible until the very last second. This is a knife in the dark, with the punch of a torpedo. Feature 4. High-energy laser defense system. For defense, the Cyclone uses something straight out of a sci-fi movie, a 200-kilowatt high-energy laser. This system can shred drones, burn through incoming rockets, and neutralize swarm boats almost instantly. No smoke, no noise, just pure silent destruction at the speed of light. Feature 5. Coastal Optimized ESA Radar. Guiding all this power is a coastal optimized ESA radar. Unlike traditional systems, this one sees through clutter, detecting tiny drones, speedboats, and even low-flying threats hugging the shoreline. In the chaos of coastal combat, this radar gives the Cyclone unmatched awareness. Feature 6. Autonomous drone launch bay. But the ship doesn't rely on its sensors alone. A small drone bay at the rear deploys quadcopters, mini fixed-wing drones, and micro-recon gliders. These drones extend the Cyclone's eyes far beyond the horizon, gathering intel long before the enemy knows they're being watched. Feature 7. Electronic Warfare Jammer Pod. Electronic warfare is the new battlefield, and the Cyclone knows how to play. Its EW pod can scramble enemy radar, disrupt drone controls, and spoof GPS signals in the area. Sometimes the best attack is to blind your opponent before the fight even starts. Feature 8. Compact, high-tech crew system inside. The ship is designed for efficiency. A small crew of 12 to 20 operates the entire vessel using AI-assisted consoles, shock-mounted seats, and streamlined control systems. Every inch of interior space is optimized for speed and rapid decision-making. Feature 9. Composite stealth superstructure. The superstructure is built from advanced composite materials, lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and radar-absorbing. It's tough, stealthy, and built to survive years of saltwater, storms, and combat pressure. Feature 10. Infrared suppressed exhaust. To counter heat-seeking weapons, the Cyclone hides its thermal signature. Its exhaust is cooled with seawater before being released, making infrared targeting systems struggle to get a lock. In modern warfare, invisibility isn't a trick, it's a vital shield. Feature 11. Modular weapon hardpoints. And depending on the mission, the Cyclone can swap out weapon modules. Anti-sub rockets, drone racks, short-range air defense systems, whatever the operation demands, the ship can adapt within hours. Feature 12. High-speed boarding ramps. For tactical operations, hidden side ramps deploy at high speed. These allow SEAL teams or boarding units to move quickly and silently onto enemy targets. It's the kind of capability designed for high-risk, high-impact missions. Feature 13. AI Navigation and Combat Assist AI also plays a major role here. The Cyclone's intelligent navigation system predicts enemy movement, assists collision avoidance in crowded waters, and even recommends ideal strike paths during combat. The crew stays in control, AI simply makes them faster. Feature 14. Night Stealth Camouflage Coating. At night, the Cyclone becomes even more dangerous. Its shadow-absorbing matte coating makes the ship vanish into darkness. Under moonlight, it's nearly impossible to distinguish from the ocean surface. Feature 15. Self-sealing fuel compartments. And deep inside the hull, self-sealing fuel tanks add another layer of survivability. If the ship takes a hit, the fuel compartments automatically close, preventing leaks and stopping fires before they start. Fast, stealthy, versatile, and packed with cutting-edge weaponry. The USS Cyclone coastal missile boat represents the future of coastal dominance. It's a small vessel with an oversized bite, built for a world where speed, stealth, and precision decide who controls the shoreline. If the US Navy ever brings this concept to life, it would instantly become one of the most formidable coastal warfare platforms ever built. This is the USS Cyclone, the high-speed hunter of the future.